When filing a suspicious activity report, a compelling narrative is essential. A SAR report is the primary means used by financial institutions to report suspicious activity to the appropriate regulatory authorities. To prepare a compelling SAR narrative, investigators need to conduct thorough research and analysis. Investigators must review transaction data to identify suspicious patterns or behaviors. The transaction data come from a variety of financial documents like bank statements, checks, wire transfers, deposit slips, invoices, etc. As they gather information, investigators must take detailed notes and organize their findings in a clear and concise manner. Once they have gathered all the necessary information, investigators can begin to draft their SAR narrative. The narrative should include all relevant information, such as the nature and scope of the suspicious activity, the individuals involved, and the reasons why it is deemed suspicious. It should be well-written, clear, and concise, with all key points highlighted. To make the process easier and more efficient, investigators can use a software tool like ScanWriter to help them organize their findings and prepare a comprehensive and compelling narrative. ScanWriter allows investigators to quickly capture, analyze, verify, and investigate data related to suspicious activity, allowing for a more comprehensive narrative. Moreover, ScanWriter automates the financial modeling, making it easier for investigators to follow the money trail. Such automation greatly assists investigators in preparing a compelling SAR narrative. Before submitting the SAR report, investigators should review and revise it as necessary to ensure that it is accurate and complete. Collaboration between investigators and other team members is also important in preparing a compelling SAR narrative. Collaboration calls for case management capabilities like the one provided by ScanWriter. By following these steps and utilizing a software like ScanWriter, investigators can prepare compelling SAR narratives that help prevent financial crimes and protect the integrity of the financial system.